Imagine the peace you'd feel if every moment in life felt like a gift. Imagine how deeply that gratitude could transform your heart. Imagine if, each day, you could tap into a well of gratitude within yourself, always accessible no matter what comes your way. Welcome, my mindful friend and beautiful soul, to today's session on Mindful Raisee. In today's journey, we'll be diving deep into gratitude for ourselves, for the people we cherish, and for all the moments, big and small, that life has gifted us. Gratitude isn't just a fleeting feeling. It's a powerful, grounding force that connects us to what truly matters. Studies show that gratitude can reshape our mindset and help us find joy even in challenges. By practicing gratitude, we become more resilient and connected to the richness of life. This is your time to realign with that power and invite a peaceful, grateful mindset into every day. Find a cozy, quiet space where you feel relaxed and present. If you'd like, use headphones to deepen the experience. Whether you repeat these affirmations out loud or silently in your mind, remember, this is a space of comfort and calm. Feel free to close your eyes, relax, and take a slow, deep breath. To center ourselves, let's take 3 gentle breaths. As you breathe in, feel that breath fill your whole being with peace and gratitude, and exhale, letting go of any stress. Once more, inhale deeply, feeling warmth and calm, and exhale, releasing any lingering tension. One last time, inhale and exhale. As you listen, allow each word to resonate and settle within you, feeling it connect with your heart. When you're ready, let's begin our affirmations. I am grateful for the gift of today and the chance to live fully in this moment. Thank you, life, for the love that surrounds me and the relationships that nourish me. I appreciate the challenges that have strengthened me and taught me resilience. I am thankful for my own kindness, patience, and compassion, even in difficult times. Thank you for the abundance in my life. I recognize and welcome all that I have. I am grateful for my body, mind, and spirit, which carry me through each day. Thank you for the beauty of nature, which reminds me of life's balance and wonder. I am thankful for every breath I take, grounding me and filling me with peace. I honor myself for all that I am and all that I am becoming. Thank you for the strength to face each day with courage and gratitude. I am grateful for the lessons I've learned, guiding me toward wisdom. Thank you for the moments of joy and laughter that light up my life. I am thankful for my growth, knowing I am constantly evolving. I am grateful for my resilience, allowing me to rise stronger after every fall. Thank you for the opportunities that come my way, helping me expand and grow. I am grateful for the present moment, where I find peace and balance. I am thankful for my friends and family who offer love and support. I appreciate the simple joys that bring warmth and happiness to my day. I am grateful for my health and well-being, which allow me to experience life fully. Thank you for the clarity and wisdom that guide my choices. I am thankful for my ability to love, accept, and nurture myself. I appreciate my mind's capacity to dream and create, manifesting my best life. I am grateful for the endless possibilities each day brings. Thank you for every experience, each one enriching my journey. I am thankful for peace within, which sustains me through life's challenges. I am grateful for the inner strength that empowers me every day. I honor the divine wisdom that flows within and around me. I am thankful for my intuition, guiding me toward the life I desire. I appreciate each sunrise, a reminder of renewal and fresh starts. I am grateful for my unique journey, filled with purpose and meaning. Let's end by taking a deep, calming breath. Inhale and exhale, letting all that gratitude sink deep into your heart and mind. Allow these affirmations to become a part of you, filling you with a quiet sense of peace and warmth. If you've closed your eyes, open them gently, feeling refreshed and connected to this feeling of gratitude. And with that, my mindful friend and beautiful soul, we have completed our gratitude affirmations for today. Remember, Gratitude is a gentle yet powerful reminder of the good that surrounds us, no matter what. Embrace this feeling every morning or before you start your day for at least 21 days. Let gratitude be a companion that helps you navigate life with lightness and joy. If this session brought you even a moment of peace, please share it with others. By liking this video, subscribing to Mindful Raisee, and hitting the bell icon, you're joining a circle of kindness, a reminder of the good we can share in this world. And feel free to leave a comment with your experience. Your words might inspire someone else. Finally, let's close the session with this affirmation. Thank you for the gift of this life and the strength to live it with gratitude and purpose. Thank you for being here today, my mindful friend and beautiful soul. May you carry this gratitude with you, uplifting you in every moment. Take good care, and until next time on Mindful Raisee.